Hello and welcome to this Odoo tips and tricks video. Today we're going to be covering how to accept down payment instead of full payment for a quotation that you send to the customer. So let's get started. I'm going to open the sales app. I'm going to create a new quotation for my customer, Wood Corner. Then I'll add a customizable desk. Let's add two. Why not? So $750 each. The total of this quotation is $1,500. That's a lot of money, so I'm going to ask the customer only for 30% down payment so that we can get started making them before they pay in full. To do that, I'm going to go to this Other Info tab. Scroll down and you see the Sales section here. And you see these two options, Online Signature and Online Payment. So for the online payment, we don't want to require them to pay 100% of it at once. So I'll highlight this and type in 30 and then save. Okay, so now while it's still in quotation state, I would send that by email to the customer. For the purposes of this demo, we'll just go ahead and look at the preview. So this is what the customer would see whenever you sent them a link to the customer portal. They have the option to sign and pay here. They can give feedback or reject as well. But I'm going to click sign and pay. I can either just type in my name, I can draw a signature if I like. I'll accept and sign the quote. And then after I accept and sign, I have the option here to either pay a down payment of 30% or pay the full amount. I'll just pay the down payment for now, so let me enter some test card information here. And pay. Okay, so our payment has been successfully processed. And now when I go back to edit mode and back into the back end, you'll see that my quotation has become a sales order, and this payment of $450 has been posted as well and related back to my sales order so that we have that down payment for whenever we need it. All right, and thank you. If you have any questions, please contact us at the links in the description below. Have a good day.